Creative and flexible.
Extraordinary.
EAs are outstanding, flexible, and definitely a jack of all trades.
Patient and encouraging.
Amazing chameleons, and the only reason anything happens around here. Thanks.
They are trustworthy, dependable, reliable, and easygoing.
Caring, happy, and helpful. Hardworking and flexible.
Creative and supportive.
Amazing.
Persistent, dedicated, and compassionate.
Awesome. Indispensable. And I couldn't do without her. Thank you.
Resilient, hardworking, and flexible.
Helpful, flexible, and lifesavers.
Flexible, helpful, and amazing. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for always stepping in, and thank you for being true frontline people.
Incredibly patient and kind. I know that I'm not always 100% ready sometimes when the EAs pop in, and I appreciate how willing they are to be patient, not only with the students, but with the teachers. I also notice all of the tiny little things that you do, and they don't go unnoticed, like tying a student's shoe, chasing somebody down the hallway, finding that one last extra paper that we need, or even just smiling and saying good morning and having a good attitude. We appreciate you. Our school cannot function without you. Thank you for everything.
Thank you for being so flexible this year.
EAs, TAs, paraprofessionals, thank you so much for everything you do. We appreciate it and realize that it's been so hard for you guys this year. Just hitting the ground and hit running. Thank you, and have a great rest of the year.
In our school, our EAs are our backbone.
Thank you.